Tear up, tear up, to rip something into pieces. She was so angry that she tore up the letter. Take out, take out, to remove or extract something from a place. Can you take out the trash, please? Pick up, pick up, to lift or collect something. I need to pick up my clothes from the dry cleaner. Get in, get in, to enter a vehicle. Hurry up and get in the car before it starts raining. Get on, get on, to board or enter a mode of transportation. Make sure to get on the bus before it gets too crowded. Get off, get off, to exit from a vehicle or a surface. We finally got off the bus at the next stop. Fill in, fill in, to complete or provide information in a form or a document. Please fill in this application form with your personal details. Get up, get up, to rise or get out of bed. I usually get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Grow up, grow up, to mature or become an adult. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. Look after, look after, to take care of. While I am on vacation. You look after your cat while I'm on vacation. Run away, run away, to escape or leave suddenly without permission. The young boy decided to run away from home, but he was found by the police